Let's turn our attention to the forecast.
Bitter cold temperatures continue today across West Michigan, and a possibility of more snow is on the way.
Meteorologist Scott Larson in the tracking center with the latest conditions now. Scott?
Good afternoon, George and Sue. We're tracking another round of snow, which is coming our way. You can see that that's coming down very heavily at the moment as we turn our attention toward the lakeshore in Muskegon. Near whiteout conditions being realized there. Here's the layout of our new winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings. Those are going to remain in effect until 10 o'clock in the morning on Thursday. Lesser impacts for the purple shaded counties on your screen. Still have a fresh 1 to 2 inches of snowfall as possible within those regions. Meanwhile, as you approach the lakeshore, there could be as much as about 4 to 8 inches of fresh snowfall. Coupled with that, we will have some wind gusts approaching 40 miles per hour at times, which is going to whip around the snowflakes and create some very hazardous driving conditions. There's a look at Storm Track Live right now, and you can see that we have that moisture continuing to advance out of Wisconsin. It's being enhanced by Lake Michigan and really blossoming as it continues to move into West Michigan this afternoon. Let's take a closer look. You can see where we have that snow continuing to pile up in Muskegon County, leading northward into Oceana County, and then also traveling further inland into Newaygo County right now. And the wind is strong out there. We have that sustained between 10 and 20 miles per hour. Some gusts already reaching above 30, and that is causing the visibility to be diminished, especially as you approach the lakeshore toward Muskegon, Ludington, and Fremont. All of those locations reporting less than a mile of visibility, about 4 miles for Holland and South Haven. Here's a look at our temperatures now, and slowly but surely we're starting to turn away from the Arctic chill that we've been experiencing out there, but even still it remains in the single digits for many locations across West Michigan. We'll be creeping up to about 20 degrees this afternoon. Some warmer weather awaits in the 8-day forecast. I'll share that in a few minutes. George and Sue.